Palm nut soup is one of my favorite dishes, but I decided to make palm nut stew instead. And guys, I think I like the stew better. If you want to learn how to make this, come on, let's get started. In a hot pan, I'm going to add my meat and make sure that I've browned it up 15 minutes in on each side. I've added my garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add some onion and allow this to cook in for about 5 minutes. Then I'm ready for my spices. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons each of turmeric powder, cayenne powder, garlic salt, and rosemary leaves.
Somebody come give me food. I want Shiba. My belly no defo. I want.
Now we're going to blend up 3 onions, 2 habanero peppers, and 1 bay leaf, guys. We're going to go ahead and add it to our meat and make sure that it marinates together. Add 2 cups of water as well as 1 teaspoon of parsley.
Somebody come give me food. I want.
After 10 minutes of adding my water, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 can of tomato sauce. Rinse up that can with some water and pour it on into the sauce, guys. Now, this is our star ingredient, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add half a cup of the palm sauce. Make sure to add 2 cups of hot water and stir it up until it gets to this thick consistency, guys. We're going to go ahead and pour up our sauce, guys. Look at that. This is a golden sauce. Now, what I just added is 3 beef seasoning cubes along with salt for taste. Now, if you're a seafood fan, go ahead and add in your crab. Guys, I added a whole cabbage, some carrots, and bell peppers. This is 45 minutes into making the stew, and guys, it is almost done. Look at that sauce, golden and delicious. Who could have thought? Okay, now I paired this up with some rice, and this was truly a banger.